So I've had the opportunity to meet him only a couple of times.
Okay.
And he is obviously now in a role which is not direct day to day with Amazon that much. But what I've learned through reading what he writes, and by the way, अगर आपने नहीं पढ़े हैं तो जो शेयर होल्डर लेटर्स पहले जेफ लिखते थे, अब एंडी लिखते हैं, दे आर वेरी इन्फॉर्मेटिव, दे आर एजुकेशनल इन many ways. As an observer of those writings, and as someone who has had the opportunity to meet him those couple of times and observe the way he makes decisions, my biggest lesson is वो बहुत ही अच्छे सिंप्लीफायर थे. मतलब वो एक कमाल के इंटेलिजेंट आदमी तो है ही, मतलब दैट इज अ गिवन, मतलब द इंटेलिजेंस इज अ गिवन, पर द एबिलिटी टू सिंप्लीफाई and provide a very firm direction in which to proceed. Leader का role of discerning signal from noise and focusing on the signal. That was, I think, is his biggest ability. Identify the vital few things that you have to focus on to make a difference. From the way I visualize this, right? I'm a very visual person. So the way I visualize this from my shipping days, आपने कभी एक शिप का दरवाजा देखा है? उसमें काफी लीवर्स होते हैं. तो अगर आपने वो सारे लीवर ओपन पोजीशन में नहीं डाले तो दरवाजा खुलता नहीं है. एक लीडर का काम होता है कि वो आइडेंटिफाई करना कि वो लीवर्स कहाँ हैं, बिकॉज मैं किन चीज़ों को पुल करूं जिससे मेरे को रिजल्ट मिलेगा. उसके लिए ये गलत धारणा है कि वो एक इंटेलिजेंस से या विजडम से आ जाता है. उसके लिए आप में एक शार्प इंटेलेक्ट की ज़रूरत है, बट एबिलिटी टू ऑपरेट एट ऑल लेवल्स की ज़रूरत है. आपको ये एबिलिटी होनी चाहिए कि आप एक स्ट्रेटेजिक डायरेक्शन में भी सोच सकें, और ज़रूरत पड़ने पे यू कैन रोल अप योर स्लीव्स एंड गेट इनटू द वीड्स ऑन द डेटा to get clarity ki what is the needle moving initiative. And he had that. His ability to context switch, and he has that. I don't know why I said had. He has that. That his ability to context switch and simplify it, focus on the signal and identify those vital few levers is phenomenal. And that to me was my biggest lesson. That
clarity and
as a leader, as anyone, but certainly as a leader, my role is to provide that clarity on what are the vital few things to focus on. One of the things that he used to say for himself, and I think he's written it in one of his shareholder letters, is I feel my role and that of my senior leadership team is to make a few decisions right. So I measure my work based on the number of right decisions I make. So in the sense that he was saying more in terms of the fact कि मैं 10 बजे आता हूँ, 5 बजे तक मतलब I start winding down because my ability to make those decisions reduces, and I feel my job is not to deliver a volume of work but make a few high impact decisions and make them right.
True. And then later on at one more conference where he was saying something like this, he said, he added one thing, ki, and if as a leader mera job है decision लेना, then मेरा job है अच्छे से सोना. He said कि अगर मैं अच्छे से सोऊंगा नहीं तो मैं अच्छे decision नहीं ले पाऊंगा. And in my entire life of building Amazon, I've compromised on sleep, which is the wrong thing to do. And where he said कि अगर किसी भी लीडर या सीईओ को डिसीजन लेना है तो you need to sleep better.